Welcome to JH. Today we're looking at Spynger.net, a website that claims to let you play secret agent by monitoring someone's phone calls, messages, and social media. It even boasts a stealth mode, because nothing says healthy relationship like digital stalking. It sounds like a dream for the overly suspicious, but before you hand over your credit card, let's see if this site is actually legit or just a black hole for your bank account. The first red flag pops up the moment you look at their reviews. On their own site, everything is a glowing 5 stars, because of course it is. However, a quick trip to Trustpilot reveals a mediocre 3.2-star rating based on exactly one review, and it's a 1-star disaster. Apparently, their fan club is about as populated as a Blockbuster on a Tuesday night. One lonely negative review isn't a great look for a company promising world-class surveillance. Digging deeper into Reddit, things get even uglier. Users are sharing horror stories about being charged for services that don't exist, being aggressively pushed to upgrade, and having their refund requests ignored entirely. It seems the only thing Spynger.net is actually monitoring is how much money they can suck out of your wallet before you notice. It's less of a service and more of a financial mugging wrapped in a fancy interface, and the community consensus is a very loud stay away. Next, I went looking for their social media presence and found absolutely nothing. In an era where even my cat has an Instagram, a tech company with zero online footprint is beyond suspicious. To top it off, the founders are ghosts. There are no names, no photos, and not even a basic About Us page. It's almost as if they don't want you to know who to sue when your money disappears into the ether. Transparency clearly wasn't in the budget this year. If you run into trouble, don't expect a live chat to save you. It's just an automated bot providing the illusion of help while you effectively scream into a void. When you combine the payment issues with the total lack of transparency and non-existent support, it's clear that Spynger.net is a scam waiting to happen. Do yourself a favor and avoid this site like the plague. Your personal info and your money are far too valuable to waste on this nonsense. Stay safe online, and I'll see you in the next video.